This slide shows us a typical business cycle, and in a business cycle we have things such as a peak, that's at the top of the business cycle, and then we have a trough, which is at the bottom of the business cycle. We have a contractionary period right here, an expansionary phase right here. Let's look at the next slide and look at some definitions now. A recession, which is commonly defined as 6 consecutive months of declining real GDP, is where the business cycle is falling. Okay, and that in this example, we would see a recession if we're looking at this contractionary period right here. And then, as long as that was 6 consecutive months, then we have what we call a peak, which is the date at which the recession starts. So in this previous example, the peak is right here, and this is at the beginning of the recession. And then we also have what we call a trough, and that is the date at which output stops falling in a recession. And that can be found right here in this previous slide at the bottom, makes sense, at the trough. And then finally, we also have a period of expansion, and that's the period after a trough in which the business cycle, during which the economy recovers. These are the 4 terms I'd like you to know, referring to fluctuations in GDP.